Holy cow. Alright, what is up, ladies and gents? I'm Joaquin with JCC Adventures, and today, again, we're working on the truck, so nothing new there. But I want to show you guys, I actually installed a oil catch can on this truck, I don't know, a few months ago, so I'm doing an oil change and I'm going to check it out. So I haven't actually checked it out and see how much oil is actually in the can yet, but I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. Alright, now that we have our oil draining, got our filter here. This is actually not the original filter for the truck. I actually got a bigger filter for it. Video up in this corner that shows you about the parts and all that I use. And I use Royal Purple oil. I mean, it's a little expensive, but it's worth it. I go about 7,000 miles per oil change, so it's kind of worth getting some good stuff. So I'll be putting this here in a minute. Alright guys, so here is the oil catch can. I'm going to try and, it's in an awkward spot. I'm going to try and, oh boy, standing on a bucket and it's kind of wobbly. But I'm going to try and get this can unscrewed here. So, I forget how long this can has actually been on here, but I'm kind of curious to see how much is actually in here. Holy crap, there's a lot of threads. Oh my. That is... Holy cow. Okay, so this is what was in the catch can. It is super watery and really milky looking. Like, that is just nasty. Alright, I honestly did not expect that much whatever was in that. It looks kind of liquidy. I mean, that's just looks like water and oh man. I mean, that's pretty nasty stuff, so I was not expecting that at all. Like, holy cow, that's going into my engine. So I really haven't noticed anything better with my truck. It doesn't seem to be running any better for that matter, but I definitely feel a lot better that that's no longer going in the intake, so that makes me feel a lot better. Oh, here goes. Oh, that is nasty. Holy cow. Oh man, that's nasty. I'm gonna get some brake clean this out. Stuff was nasty. Whatever it was rusting that, there's a little Allen had probably a drain plug, but that's I think that's steel. This is aluminum, and it looks like it's rusting it. So I don't know what the hell is coming out of that, but that is not good. All right, as you can see there, there's my catch can. This one actually has another input. So you have an input back here, an input here, and then an output here to go out into your intake. So right now I have the little can, or the bottom half, off. So, but that was kind of dirty. This this little plate here, actually there's still a little bit on there I got to clean up. So that kind of swivels around, but that's kind of I think that's just a baffle. So but that's where it's located. I have it screwed into kind of the top cowling here. So it's not super, it's actually pretty steady. Won't move around too much. So it's in a good spot, which was kind of the only spot it seemed like. So that's where that is. I just have this kind of capped off because I think the other side, I have to get some hose for the other side to loop it around and then have it come in here. So, but honestly, I kind of wish I got a bigger catch can, because that seemed, I forget how long it was on there for, or how long it has been on there for. I'll put it on the screen right now, but it filled up fast. Like I'd have to, definitely can't do it every oil change, probably maybe 3 times every oil change kind of thing. You got to empty out that can, so that's something that I got to keep an eye on. But I'm really glad I put it on, so definitely keeping everything much cleaner. Alright guys, that is it. All done with the oil change. Honestly, not expecting that catch can to be that dirty. I mean, that was crazy. So really glad I have it on there. Wish it was a little bit bigger. So I'll link down in the description below the actual catch can that I have on here, and then maybe one that's like a little bit bigger or something, so you guys can check that out too if you're interested. But yeah, really glad I have it on there. So also I'll link the video to the oil filter, having the bigger oil filter on there, so you guys can check that video out. But other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.